Hey guys, it's Jason, founder of Markk, and today I want to talk to you about our new and improved 8-ounce premium deep cleaning solution. So you can see we've given the packaging a nice fresh look, but we've also revisited the formulation and upgraded a lot of the ingredients to be greener and more effective at cleaning and conditioning. So this 8-ounce bottle will clean up to 200 pairs of shoes, and I'm gonna demo them today on a pair of white Nike Air Force Ones that are a pair of beaters, as you can see, but that's great. I'm gonna show you the power of our new and improved solution. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is take the laces out. Okay, so now that I got the laces out, I always recommend giving the entire shoe a dry brush using our premium brush. So the premium brush has the softer bristles. Just give it a good once over. All right. So the Air Force One is an all leather shoe. It's got a rubber midsole, so we're fine using the standard brush. So I'm gonna take that, apply some solution to the bristles here. I'm gonna dip the bristles into the water. And you just start scrubbing. This Air Force One's an all leather shoe, so it's great. You'll see the solution actually condition the leather. A feature of the solution that gets overlooked a lot of the times, but it's great. After you clean the shoe, you'll visibly see the leather be more supple, as well as you can feel it. So our new solution, it is completely biodegradable and it's safe to use on all materials. It's great for deep cleans. You know, if you've got a shoe that has some serious dirt or stains, the premium deep cleaning solution is what you want to use, as opposed to our premium ready to use foam cleaners, which is a more, it's effective, but it's a more quick and easy clean. This one is where you really want to get into the shoe and spend some time. I know a lot of you guys out there actually enjoy the cleaning like I do, you know, cleaning up your week's rotation and just spending an hour or two or even more sometimes just cleaning shoes. It's really therapeutic. And you can see just with a quick, that was what, about a minute or so? You can see the shoe just brought back to life. The leather on it looks really supple. I mean, it just looks, I'm really gonna get into this shoe. I'm gonna get into all the little, crevices and whatnot, so it'll look super fresh, but a minute of scrubbing with the new solution, check that out. So I'm gonna hit this other side really quick. The other thing that I wanted to improve on was the actual foaming. The foam is where it's at with our solution, and I made sure that with this new and improved that it would foam up even more. All right. So check that out. So you can see just look how fresh that looks. What I'm really gonna do is also, I'm gonna get into all the little crevices, but I like hitting the sock liner as well. Let's see how this sock liner is a bit dingy. I'm gonna hit that too with a premium brush and a microfiber towel. I'm gonna clean up the laces. I can't wait to show you the after. In the meantime, what I wanna do is show you that our premium deep cleaning solution can be used on other things other than shoes as well. So I brought this rug that I spilled coffee on. All right, so this is a rug that I got from the Rose Bowl, and I spilled coffee on the side, and the first thing that I'm gonna do to treat this is lay a microfiber towel underneath, and then I'm gonna take another microfiber towel and the premium deep cleaning solution, and what I'm gonna do is actually add some solution to the water, just like this. Take a microfiber towel and just dab it in there. And now I'm just gonna dab and twist and try to soak up as much of that coffee as possible. I'm just gonna try to soak up as much of it as I can, just like this. I am excited to use this solution and have it foam up, because that foam is gonna help lift the soil. So obviously if something like this happens, you wanna do it as soon as possible. You don't wanna let the stain kinda soak in any longer than it needs to. First thing you should do is grab a microfiber towel, deep cleaning solution, and some cold water, and just dab and twist. All right, so now that I've dabbed and twisted as much as I could and got as much of the coffee out as possible, what I'm gonna do is take a premium brush and the premium deep cleaning solution, and I am gonna create as much foam as possible, because it's that foam that will help lift the stain. You just want all that good foam to get in there, work its magic into the fibers and help lift that coffee. The great thing about our solution being that it's completely biodegradable, no harsh chemicals or abrasives, is I don't have to worry about it damaging this vintage rug. So just gotta have that peace of mind. So you want all of this foam to get deep into the fibers. All right, so after this step, I might have to repeat this a few times, but what I'm gonna do next is give it a good wipe, and then I'm gonna run it under cold water. Yeah, you can check this out. Look at that. It's definitely working. I'm gonna run this under some cold water and then repeat. Yeah, we should be good. Cleaned up the rug, it came out amazing. I had to repeat the process a few times with cold water, but I'm pretty stoked on the results. Also, I cleaned up the Air Force Ones, and then what a transformation. I mean, if you look at the afters, it's pretty crazy. The new premium deep cleaning solution is now available in store, online, and at select retailers. Be sure to check out the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace.